Hello everyone and welcome to my very first video on my channel, at Melaninmale. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I'm so happy that I'm back on YouTube. I'm overwhelmed with the amount of support that I have received on my social medias. I don't think I've ever had such a big support system on my social media accounts as of right now. So I just want to thank you as part of being the Melanin fam that you are. Today's video, like I said, is going to be an unboxing of recent things and collections that I have bought. So let's get into the video with some swatches, honey. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and that notification bell. Thank you for watching the Melaninmale, and we'll get straight into this unboxing video. Alright, you guys, so my first box is from BH Cosmetics. I have a bunch of goodies in here. They gave me a little trial sample of their BH Liquid Foundation Naturally Flawless. It's in light beige, which isn't really my color, but we'll try it one over. So the first two things that I ordered were actually two of the same thing. And they are these marbleized gray and white marble BH Cosmetics makeup brush holders, and they are engraved with a rose gold plate. It says BH Cosmetics. I'm not sure if you could read that. And it's just like a nice little faux leather feel. So yeah, I guess you could put like your makeup brushes in there, whatever you would like. So they were just a little cute thing to have on my vanity, and something that I wanted to order to motivate myself to get back started with my channel and back into the love of makeup that I have. And then I also ordered from BH Cosmetics their Brilliance Bronzer. This is what the packaging looks like. Very cute. That's cute. It's very lightweight, but it's very cute. I've never tried any of these products before, by the way. Wow, that's stunning. That is stunning, honey. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that on my arm. That's nice. Very creamy. Not much of a smell, but very cute. So next, moving on, are these Eye Brilliance eye lights. They're waterproof eye colors, and I guess they're like a metallic formula. And I got 6 of them, and I have one in my hand. So I got 6 of them. I'm going to swatch 3 of them and tell you how they feel. Consistency is kind of creamy, buttery. They really don't have a smell to them, so that's a plus. That is a plus. But look at that shimmer and shine. Next, I got I've never tried this stuff before, you guys. I got the BH Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer, and I got one in the color Peach. And I got a color corrector in the color Yellow. Make sure you guys leave comments down in the comment section of future videos that you guys have been wanting to see, or stuff that you just wanted to see me do. A little background on my channel, as you guys haven't figured it out yet. I don't see a lot of colored male YouTubers in makeup. So that's why I named my channel the Melaninmale, to have more of an African American feel on YouTube. I know they are out there. They're not mainstream. When you look at mainstream YouTubers, you see like Caucasian, and you have Patrick Starr, who is my skin tone, but he's not an African American male. He is Filipino. But with that being said, you don't see a lot of African American males in makeup, being that in our culture and our today's society, it is so taboo in our skin realm that it's crazy. A lot of people are scared to do what they want to do. But with that being said, welcome to my channel, and I hope that you guys can see that I'm trying to branch out and show a different side of the African American culture, and that you don't have to be scared. Do what you love what you do. Everyone else, screw you. That came straight from my mouth. So here's those two, honey. Them 2 little chains right there, honey. The scandal. Now, my favoriteest part at this moment, I have been eyeing this collection. I never bought it. Don't know why. Couldn't tell you why. There's no excuse as to why I haven't. I've just been procrastinating. But the BH Cosmetics It's My Ray Ray bundle collection. These brushes, I'm not going to open them all right now. This is a 9-brush collection, and I cannot deal. I've been so excited to try these. I'm going to open this one because it looks like a great highlighting brush. Oh my goodness, honey, the scandal is real. There's that. I was so excited for those brushes, you guys. So that's the It's My Ray Ray 9-piece blush collection. And I also got the It's My Ray Ray palette. I don't know if you can see the packaging. The packaging is very nice. This is not pelted. It's flat with, this is embossed. So you can actually feel the label. So you pull off the sleeve. And the way it opens up is so cool. So you're actually going to go up and up again. So you get that double label feel. Up again in the mirror. So the mirror is actually what I was using a minute ago. So I've actually not used the palette. However, look at these colors. I'm gonna swatch this black. Oh my goodness. Look at these colors. So this collection is 15 eyeshadows, and then you get, I guess, some sculpting and contour type deals and some highlighters as well. Let me know down in the description box if you would like to see me do a look with this palette and the brushes just on this by itself. I'd be glad to do that for you guys. But yeah, this is actually a really cute collaboration. So cute. They really did that. So yeah. That is all for my BH Cosmetics haul, honey. I do have one more unboxing to do. I ordered one thing from Morphe, and I'm sure you guys are going to die over it. I don't know if you can tell what's in this box, honey. I got 2 of their micro brow pencils in the color Java. So I've never actually tried these before. These are new also to me. They were just inexpensive. Whoa, that's a thin spoolie. Very inexpensive. Whoa. Talk about micro, honey. Whoa. So creamy. Wow. So I'm actually kind of excited to try those. Like I said, I've never used them before. Listen, this is the kicker. Like, I was not planning on ever buying this. I've never bought anything so expensive in my life as far as a palette. But it's a very controversial thing right now. The color scheme is insane. I love this person so much. And I also bought James Charles palette by Morphe as well. And I'm so glad that this company linked up with Morphe and did what they did, and that they're in Morphe stores as well. So without further ado, let me introduce. This has already been out on the web, and I'm so mad that I didn't get it first, but I got it now on the restock that they just had, and I'm so excited. What I've been waiting for to show you, obviously, and that is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Alien Palette. I'm so excited, Hannah! The scandal! So this is what the packaging looks like. You obviously get the ingredients on the back and things of that nature. This is insane. Like, I cannot deal. I cannot deal, literally. Oh my goodness. Listen. So it's different when you see something online versus when you actually get it. So this is actually so insane. This is what the packaging looks like. The iconic pink alien head and the iconic 3D bubbles. Can you see the bubbles? Oh my goodness, guys. I haven't even opened this yet. I've been waiting to open it on camera. Are you ready? This is raw for both of us. Well, you guys have probably already seen it, but for me. Oh my God. Like, I can't. Oh. Guys, look at that colors. Oh my God. Guys. Guys. Look at it. Like, I'm such a giddy girl right now. I'm going to swatch Area 51 and Alien, as well as Flying Saucer and Martian Soil. So I'm going to do Area 51, Alien, Flying Saucer, and Martian Soil. And I'm going to put that, I guess, on this part of my arm. And we're just going to swatch. Oh my God. This color combo right here is already giving me life and inspiration. I cannot wait to try. Can I just tell you guys that this color was so creamy to dip into? Do you see the dent that I just put into that? You better get with the program. Come on, J Star. Come on, J Star. You did this, bitch. I have to finish this unboxing and get straight to this palette, y'all. Like, I can't deal. Let me know if you want to see a look with this palette. I did not get the full collection, being that I don't necessarily always wear lipstick or do lip scrubs or wear lip liner. But this is practical, and I can definitely get a lot of use out of this. As well, I do have 4 more palettes to introduce that I just picked up. But this was the baby that I wanted to get in there, and I just cannot deal that she is finally here. So with that being said, the last 4 palettes in my first impressions unboxing haul were stuff that I picked up from Walmart, which is really not an unboxing, obviously. But I picked up the Profusions palettes that they launched. They have one in the color Berries. They also have one in Chocolates, which have a nice, very subtle nude selection. They have one in Shimmers, which is an all shimmer shade palette, which I think is iconic. And then they have one in all mattes, which is totally needed because why not? I just want to say shout out to Profusions Cosmetics. You guys did the damn thing with this. I'm actually wearing the Berries palette on my eye at the moment. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm actually wearing the Berries palette on my eyes, and I'm kind of shook. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing amateur ass video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and also that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. I am going to try to have an uploading schedule maybe every Thursday for me to start off with, because I don't want to get overwhelmed and too overworked. But I definitely will be trying to bring you guys more content. Like I said, I'm getting more acquainted with filming, and I'm going to try to not edit as much. Thank you for watching the Melanin Male. Welcome to the Melanin fam. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye.